J-Von, you want to say something?
Yeah, I'm just gonna let everyone know that I'll be giving out free hand jobs for all the dads at the show tonight. So come see me if you want a chafing nightmare.
So all the dads, we'll see you at the merch table. Jane will be generously giving away his virginity.
Not long gone, sweetheart.
And I'm the Queen of England. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming out here and taking your time. Thank you. This has been a wonderful tour. And I just want to say, God bless you all. And I wish you all the best. I love you. I love you. I love you. And literally, guys, put your hands in the middle. Everybody. Everybody. All right. In honor of each other, I want to say that tonight, I can honestly say that we are one. 1, 2, 3, love. 1, 2, 3, love.
Anal.
All right, let's get high.